Subtraction fluency. Numbers 0 to 10. Be sure to call out the difference before I do. 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 0, 1, 3, 2, 8, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 2, 0, 8, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 5, 0, 10, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 0, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. You did it! Remember, practice makes progress. Do yourselves a dabasaur and keep working.